Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung mensahe na makikita po natin ngayon para sa iyo, Aries. Pero bago po lahat, binabati ko po kayo ng maligayang Pasko at para din sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. So we have a flipping card. It says here, Paradise. Wow. Love. And addiction. Okay, Aries. So, ito yung nakikita ko na there is somebody that would come into your life that you truly love. Pero there is something that is not really positive about it, na maybe you're going through some codependency kasi may addiction no? Yung parang hindi ka, kung gaba there is this feeling of obsession o you feel na napaka-possessive mo pagdating dito sa relationship na to at sa person na to. We will see kung bakit lumabas itong addiction. But definitely, you will feel that joy and happiness with this person or the love that you will be coming in. Well, yung love kasi is very general, no, Aries? It could be somebody na it could mean to another person or it could be you, no? Mahal mo yung sarili mo, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. So, let us see kung ano yung makikita natin. Now, with the tarot, we have a jumping card, the Page of Swords. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message. We have the Two of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Magician, the Hangman. Bottom niya, Aries, is the Nine of Swords. Yung Nine of Swords natin dito is something na you are being contemplating o yung pinag-iisipan mo mabuti. Something na talagang hindi maalis-alis sa isipan mo. Palagi siyang naandyan. Kung gabain, in a way, nababother. Malaking isang question mark sa'yo. No? Yung isang malaking katanungan. Because, ano ba yung tinatanong mo? The Two of Cups. Itong person na to, yung nasa isip mo. The one, no? Your soulmate. Alam mong soulmate mo to Iba kasi yung dating mong person na to sa'yo. With the Two of Swords, hindi mo ka makadecide. You cannot make any decision kung ano na bang gagawin mo dito sa person na to. Are you going to be with this person or not? May nafe-feel ka, no? You definitely feel something special. There is love. But there is something that is stopping you but hindi ka makadecide. Okay? So we will see what it is. Yung first card mo dito, Aries, is the Page of Swords. You are, kung ba parang studying or looking at this person, trying to see, no? Trying to, kung gaba parang trying to learn muna, o pinag-aaralan mo muna mabuti itong person na to, mabuti. Kasi, syempre, kung lalo na this person is somebody na na-meet mo lang, na kinikilala mo naman talaga dapat bago ka pumasok sa isang relationship, which is the right thing to do. Now, ano ba yung naging challenge dito sa relationship na to? Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin mo siya o hindi. Hindi mo alam kung liligawan mo o hindi. Okay, take it as it resonates. Kung gaba you're being asked, where are you going? Ano bang desisyon? What is the next move? Ano bang plano mo? Ito yung mga tanong sa'yo eh. Hindi mo alam, no? Para bang ano na. So, anong ginawa mo? Naghintay ka lang. You're waiting. You're just waiting for maybe a sign. You're waiting for some response, or kung gaba tipong pagbibigay niya ng aksyon, o pagre-responde niya to respond or to reply to your mga pinapakita or yung action na ginagawa mo. You've been very patient. That's what I'm trying to say, no? Ginawa mo na kasi yung dapat na aksyon if you are the one pursuing this person. Kung ikaw naman yung pinapursue, nag-iintay ka pa rin ng mga mas matinding aksyon from this person kung talagang ganun siya kaseryoso. So, yun yung iniintay mo. Kasi gusto mong makita talaga, no? You wanted to really know this person very well, because that is what you have manifested, no? Pinagdasal mo na sana talaga po na makilala ko to mabuti itong tao na to. Yung I would get to know this person very well para I could make that right decision. Ito ba talaga? Tatanggapin ko ba talaga siya? Siya na ba talaga para sa akin? Those questions again. And so far, sa ngayon, yung naging outcome is walang nangyayari. You are trying to still see things on a different perspective, no? Tinitignan mo pa rin yung ibang anggulo sa relationship na to. Hindi ka pa totally sold kung ano talaga. Kaya, kung gaba, what you have done is to wait and see. Ganun yung nangyayari sa'yo. Wait and see. Okay, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung Page of Swords? We have the 5 of Pentacles, the 7 of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. Aries, yung taong pinag-aaralan mo mabuti, no? Yung taong, kung gabay, you're trying to size this person up. Somehow, parang pakiramdam mo hindi ka naman binibigyan talaga ng importansya. Hindi ka iniintindi. Binabaliwala ka din no? Parang you're not a priority. Kaya ikaw, wait ka ng wait, intay ka ng intay. Baka ka mo na, magkaroon ng pagbabago. Kasi alam mo naman tong tao na to, you might be dealing, Aries, with a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Alam mo naman tong tao na to na magiging very truthful sa'yo kung talagang gusto ka niya sasabihin niya sa'yo, papaalam niya. Kaya yung iniintay mo, na ipakita niya, ipaalam niya, sabihin sa'yo na meron siyang feelings towards you. Okay? Bakit andito yung Two of Wands? We have the Empress, the Two of Swords, and the Two of Cups. You are being asked kung anong plano, saang daan, anong gagawin mo, ano yung next move. Kasi alam mo, Aries, alam mo na itong person na to is of high caliber. Mataas, no? May standard dito. Sabihin dito basta-basta. Alam niya yung sarili niya, may value. Kaya ikaw, hindi mo alam kung, am I worthy? Yung ba parang, kaya ko ba to? Mapiplease ko ba tong tao na to? Kung ikaw yung nandiligaw. Kung ikaw naman nililigawan. Makakatapat ba siya sa mga gusto ko mangyari? O yung mga gusto ko sa isang tao? Kasi ang hanap mo talaga is yung soulmate mo, yung Two of Cups mo, yung katapat mo, yung ka-compatible mo, yung ka-match mo, yun yung hinahanap mo. Kaya hindi ka basta-basta gumagawa ng desisyon. Because you want to be sure that this person is the one. That's why, pagdating sa what is your next move, what is your next plan of action, hindi agad. Kasi you want to be sure. No, but andito yung Three of Wands. But andito yung Three of Wands. We have the Moon, the Six of Wands, and the Chariot. Nag-iintay ka, you're being patiently waiting for any sign, for any response from this person. Kasi nga, walang pinapakita. You don't know. Hindi ka sure. Hindi ka sure kung magiging matagumpay ka dito. Hindi ka sure kung sasagutin ka. Hindi ka sure kung ito na ba yung mahal mo o mahal ka na talaga o talagang mahal na mahal ka. Kaya you are trying to make this decision to move forward. Parang sige lang, dyan ka, I will still move on. Kasi siguro nga the fact that you are not sure is something that is driving you to move forward. Hindi ka sigurado eh. So, ba't ako magiging stagnant? Ano lang ako, go lang ako kung saan ako. And then, kung talagang siya, susunod siya, di ba? Kung talagang, ito na nga, kung ikaw yung nanliligaw, kasi hindi ka sure dahil di siya, sabihin ko talagang, siya nga, magre-response back siya. Diba? Makakatanggap ka talaga ng positive response from this person. Hindi yung ibabaliwala ka. Kung ikaw naman yung nililigawan, syempre, gusto mo makakita pa ng mas matinding sign from this person na talagang very, very serious siya sa'yo. Kasi kung sa ngayon, you're not convinced at all that this is the one. Kaya, kung hindi ka sure, di ba, the most logical thing to do is, you move forward. hindi mo pag-aaksayan masyado ng panahon to kung di ka sigurado. But andito yung Magician. We have the Hermit, the Ten of Cups, the Seven of Swords. I just want to say na yung meaning dito ng addiction is also something na emotional block. So kung gaba parang yung emotion mo, binablock mo, hindi talaga ino-all out. Kasi nga, I think you're really looking for something na a true love, something that is truly unconditional, that would make you very, very happy. Yun yung hinahanap mo kasi. Now, the Magician, kasi this is what you have manifested, no? Yung person na iniino mo is the one, yung true love mo. Kaya you've been taking your time with the Hermit. Virgo energy. This is also Virgo energy. You're taking time, no? Hindi ka nagmamadali para matanggap mo tong Ten of Cups, your true happiness. Naniniwala ka na hindi ito minamadali. Kasi kung talagang pag-iisipan mo na mag-iintay ka for the right person, dadating yung true happiness mo. At hindi ka yung relationship hindi magiging false, hindi magiging mali, hindi magkakaroon ng mga negative na vibes ba sa inyo. Kasi nag-ano ka yung hindi mo minadali lahat. Nag-intay ka on the proper time or venue or forum or platform para makuha mo to, yung Ten of Cups, yung happiness mo, which is this, to receive your paradise, no? Yung paraiso, because your true love is your paradise. No, but a little Hangman. We have the Lovers, the King of Wands, and the Five of Wands. Now, bakit hindi ka gumagalaw? You're just waiting, trying to look at other perspective in life, because with the Lovers, you need to make that decision. Na ito na nga ba? This is an energy coming from a Gemini. Ito na nga ba talaga? With the King of Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Ito na nga ba talaga yung iniintay ko? Kasi with the Five of Wands, hindi ako sure. Hindi ako sure kasi meron pa akong, there's something within me that is bringing this conflict. Hindi ako 100% sure. Meron gumugulo sa isipan ko o sa akin damdamin. Or maybe there's something stopping me para maging kaming dalawa. Okay? Kaya ang nangyayari, hindi ako gumagalaw. I'm not showing anything. I'm not doing any action. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting and trying to see what's gonna happen next. Kung ano mangyayari sa susunod. Kasi nga, may internal conflict. No? There is this thing that is stopping me. May conflict, may kaguluhan. So, within myself, kung bakit hindi magkaroon ng kabuuan o mabuo itong pagmamahala na to o itong relationship na to. I think it is very wise for you to be having these feelings. No? Ibig sabihin yung plan of action mo na wag mo nang magbigay ng any response at all. Kasi nga, kung hindi ka naman talagang 100% dito sa tao na to, then, di ba, bakit mo ilalagay yung sarili mo doon sa relationship na hindi ka magiging masaya? Kaya, tama lang, naintayin mo na dumating yung talagang kaligayahan na iniintay mo. Yung talagang taong meant for you. Yung the one, tinatawag natin. Yung soulmate. Kasi it will come. No? Sabi ko nga, lagi ko sinasabi yan sa inyo. It will come. Talagang, kasi you manifested it. No? Pinagdasal niyan. And God always answers our prayer. Kahit positive and negative yung naging response, sinasagot niya yan sa atin. And you would know the reason why, kung ba't naging yan ang sagot. Eventually, you will know. Kaya tama lang, you just wait and see what's gonna happen next. Siguro hanggat hindi ka sure, ganun talaga. Wait and see. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Kailan ka magkakaroon ng clear decision? It says here again, no need to hurry. Just the same with Leo. Kasi ang tanong ko is, kailan ka magkakaroon ng clear decision pagdating dito sa relationship na to? It says here, no need to hurry. Huwag ka daw magmadali. Walang pangangailangan para magmadali ka ng desisyon. So, it is telling you that kung sino man tong tao na pumuporma sa'yo o yung tao pinupormahan mo, maybe this is not yet the one. Or hindi pa ito yung perfect timing. Baka there are things that still need to be resolved. Kailangan may maayos pa. Kailangan may malaman pa kayo mga lessons para maging perfect yung timing. Kasi sometimes this is already the right person for you, but sabi nga nila, meron ka pang dapat ayusin sa sarili mo o siya para pag naging kayo na, maayos na kayo pareho. So there are always reasons behind kung bakit hindi nagkakatuluyan agad. But sinasabi dito is, huwag ka magmadali. Okay? Hindi niya naman sinabing hindi dadating, but sinabi lang niya, huwag kang magmadali. Okay? So I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Aries. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka.